Hello and namaste everyone. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Yograja. Today I'm going to teach you 10-minute yoga class, Power Vinyasa Flow, and I'm going to make 7 series of this class which I will upload every day. So you can practice for 7 days, and I had given it name as a 7 days yoga challenge. So let's get started. So first, before starting the class, I will show you some easy warm-up which can practice by beginner and even intermediate also. So first you can sit like this in Sukha Asana, and you can take your both hand on your knee. First we'll start from the breathing with dynamic movement of your body. So first you have to just inhale, expand your ribcage, inhale in your lungs and look up, lift up and stretch, loosen up your spine and slowly exhale. Hunch your back properly, push your ticket back here, stretch, keep your arms straight. Again, inhale, expand your ribcage, look up and stretch, stretch your neck. Exhale, interlock your finger, exhale fully, exhale through the nose. Inhale, again roll your shoulder back, expand your lungs, look up, lift your ribcage higher. Exhale, hunch your back properly, exhale. Once again, inhale, look up and stretch, and exhale. Okay, so this was the first step. Now second step, we'll do in butterfly pose. See how to just join your feet and interlock your finger here. Again, inhale, keep your back straight, and just you have to move it here just to loosen up your hip joint. We just move it here. You can do this for 10 count. Okay, start count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, wait, 9 and 10. Now again, inhale, you have to interlock your finger, take your arms back. Exhale, and just press your knee down and slowly touch your forehead on the mat. Inhale, now open your arms up, open your chest, look up. Exhale, again press your knee down, slowly exhale, bend forward, touch your forehead on the mat, make sure your both hip is touching on the mat. Inhale, open your chest, look up, squeeze your upper back. Exhale, slowly bend forward, feel the stretch in your hip joint, in your groin. Inhale, expand your lungs, look up and stretch. Exhale. One more. Inhale, look up. Now here just try to hold it for a few seconds. I hold for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slowly in the end you have to exhale, interlock your finger and touch your forehead on the mat. Properly stretch your shoulders, squeeze your upper back and hold here again. 6 count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly inhale, take your arms straight up here and exhale. Okay, now you're ready for the next exercise. First relax the leg here like this. First we will come in the plank, and we will do now some variation of sun salutation. Now this is a plank. You have to drop your knee, chest down, look straight, elbow in. Inhale, expand your chest, look up, squeeze your upper back and hip. Exhale. Now just try to press the heel on the mat and push the shoulder down. Try to touch your forehead on the mat to give nice stretch to your pectoral major muscles and your side muscles. Press down. Inhale, right leg forward in between your hand and slowly take it up and straight. Look up. Make sure you're taking your knee 90 degrees. Look up. Exhale. Again go back in plank. Contract your core. No breath, drop your knee, chest down, look straight here. Inhale, Squeeze the upper back, try to fit together, expand the rib cage up, look up. Exhale. Press the heel on the mat. Try to touch your forehead on the mat. Inhale, left leg. Slowly take both arms straight up here. Try to maintain your both hip in one line. Look up. Exhale. Go back again, fit together, plank. Contract your core. No breath, bend your knee. Just stand, look straight, elbow in. Inhale, expand your ribcage. You have to just lift up, squeeze the upper back, take a shoulder back. Exhale, press the heel on the mat, down dog, and try to touch your forehead on the mat to give more stretch. Right leg, inhale, take both arms straight and look up. One more. Exhale, go back, fit together. Again, contract your core. No breath, drop your knee down, chest down, elbow in, look straight. Inhale, squeeze the upper back and hip. Exhale, press the heel on the mat here. Left leg, inhale, raise the both arms straight and look up, take it up here. And exhale, go back, plank, fit together, contract your core. No breath, drop your knee, chest down and look straight. Inhale, look up and stretch. And exhale, now hold here for 5 breaths. Take your feet, little gap here. Keep your lower back straight and hold here. 6, inhale. 5, exhale. 4, inhale. 3, exhale. 2, inhale. And 1, exhale. Now slowly inhale, take a right leg forward here. Inhale, look up and stretch. Exhale, take both arms down. Inhale, take a right leg to the left side and right arm straight, look up, lift your hip up. Exhale, right hand on the mat and right leg put it forward. Slowly inhale, take both arms straight, look up. Exhale, take both arms down. Inhale, right leg, take it to the left side and right arm straight. Take your right hand 90-degree, look up. Exhale, right hand down on the mat, right leg forward. Inhale, look up and straight, little arch your back. Exhale, both arms down. Inhale, right leg put it to the left side and inhale, look up. One more time. Exhale, right hand on the mat, right leg put it forward and slowly inhale, look up and straight. And exhale, take your both arms down. Again, go back, down dog. Take your feet, little gap here. Now again, hold it here for 5 breaths. Try to relax the shoulder, relax your breath. Slowly inhale, 6. Exhale, 5. Inhale, 4. Exhale, 3. Inhale, 2. Exhale, 1. Now change your leg. Inhale, left leg put it forward, again 90-degree. Raise your both arms straight and look up. Exhale, take your both arms down. Again, inhale, take your left leg to the right side and left arm straight. Take your both arm 90-degree straight. Exhale, left hand down. Left leg, put it in between your hand. Now slowly inhale. Take your both arms straight and look up. Exhale, place your both hands on the mat. Inhale, left leg, put it to the right. Inhale, left arm straight. Lift your little hip higher. Exhale, left hand on the mat. Left leg down. Now slowly inhale, take it up and straight. Exhale, place your both hands down. Inhale, left leg, put it to the right. Inhale, take your left arm straight. Exhale, left hand down. Inhale, raise the both arms straight and look up. We'll do one more time. Exhale. Inhale, left leg, take it up and straight, look up. Exhale, put it in between your palm and slowly inhale, take your arm straight. And slowly exhale. Again, we'll go in the down dog, mountain pose. To relax your body, relax your breath. Now again, hold it for the 6 breath. Slowly inhale, 6. Exhale, 5. Inhale, 4. Exhale, 3. Inhale, 2. Exhale, 1. Now right leg, inhale, take your both arms straight up here. Now we will hold here. Now try to take your both hip in straight line. Your right leg will be straight 90 degree. Take your arm straight, spread a finger like this, look up and hold. Again, hold it here for 6 count. Hold it. 1, 2. Be careful to your knee joint. 3. Come on, 4. And 5. Exhale. Now place your both arms down here. Now slowly bend your right knee and touch your knee to the elbow. Both arms should be 90 degrees straight and contract your core. Again, we'll hold here for 6 seconds. 6 count. 1, 2. Normal breathing. Slowly inhale and exhale. 3. Come on, 4. 5. And 6. Here. Inhale. Take your right arm straight. Look up and hold your 6. Slowly inhale and exhale. 5. Come on, 4. 3. 2. And 1. Slowly exhale. Now slowly put your right hand down and put your left leg forward here. Now this is for the relaxation. Inhale, look up and hold. 6. 5. 4. 3. Come on, 2. And 1. Now slowly exhale. Again, go back here. Down dog. Take your feet, little gap here. Again, hold it here for 6 breath. 6. Inhale. 5. Exhale. 4. Inhale. 3. Exhale. 2. Inhale. 1. Exhale. Now change leg. Left leg, put it forward in between your hand. And slowly again inhale. Again, take your both hip in one line. Legs should be 90 degrees straight. Inhale. Take your both arms straight. Look up and hold. You can take normal breathing. Again, hold it for the 6 count. 6. Look up. 5. Spread a finger and lift up. 4. Come on. 3. 2. And 1. Slowly exhale. Take your both hands down. And again, you have to just bend your left knee. Touch your left knee to the left elbow. Both arms should be 90 degrees straight and hold your contract your core. Hold. 6. Slowly inhale and exhale. 5. Come on. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Inhale. Take your left arm straight and left leg, put it to the right side. Look up and hold here. Again, hold it for the 6 count. 6. Come on. 5. Look up. 4. Take normal breathing. 3. Come on. 2. And 1. Exhale. Put your left hand down and slowly take your left leg forward. Bend your leg and inhale. Lift up your rib cage. Look up and hold here. 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly exhale. Now once again we'll go in down dog for the relaxation. Slowly inhale and exhale. Now this was the last. Slowly inhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly drop your knee and slowly how to go down and sit down here. This is the child pose. Now relax here. So practice this every day. Stay fit, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Thank you.